What's up, YouTube? We're back with another modification to the TRD 4Runner off-road. Today we'll be doing one of the most common modifications out there, all over YouTube. A lot of 4Runners have it, but it is a fairly inexpensive modification, so I think that's why it's so common. Either way, let's get into it. So this is a, just do a little quick unboxing here. This is from Yota Expedition, which is a website that provides a lot of 4Runner modification videos. This is my first package from them, so we'll see what it is. Okay, got a video cut out. So anyway, in the packaging here, we got some packaging material here, a receipt of what it is you purchased. These are the 4Runner Blackout Emblem Overlay Kit. It is not the OEM, only because the OEMs are significantly more expensive, and you know, I'm not made out of money. This channel is not sponsored. No one sent this to me. So, you know, I'm just trying to make it look cool at a reasonable price. So anyways, first thing out of here is the TRD off-road overlay. Packaging's really nice on it. Really strong bag here. Then it's packaged again in like these little, very cheap looking plastic, but the emblems themselves look pretty good. So leave that there. We have a Toyota, I don't know if this is the front grille or the rear. One of them is significantly smaller. I think the larger one is in the rear and the smaller one is in the front. So to be determined, but again, quality looks pretty good. I don't see a lot of issues. I don't see any issues with them. A lot of times with them as well, you can sort of see, this will probably be easier to see on camera. You can see a lot of like chipping on the inside from when the plastic was cut. And these are fairly consistent. The cuts are really nice. So hopefully that means they're of some decent quality and these will not be flying off or won't have to replace them. So the bar overlays for the front grille, and then finally the 4Runner overlay, 4Runner, I don't even know, logo. Sorry, lost my words there. But yeah, that's it. That's all that comes in the box. It did not come with any alcohol wipes or anything to clean the surface, so that's okay though. We will be using some lens wipes just to kind of get the surface clean, because I heard it's very important to make sure it's clean. There's not dirt on there. That way the 3M tape on the back of them has something to adhere to. So again, looking forward to these not flying off, hopefully, and you know, that should be a key step, is cleaning them and then getting them laid down. So anyways, that's what we'll be doing next. I'm gonna move the car, I'm gonna move the vehicle now. that I installed last weekend, or last video, did not interfere, which is good. Just do a quick walk around here. Vehicle is on. A bit of overlays. Pretty solid. I like the way it looks. It matches well with the wheels. Obviously with black, kind of ties it all together. Blacked out the rear. I might need to do a black license plate just to kind of tie it. I think the chrome messes it up. Maybe it's the paper too. The paper could also be throwing me off there because it looks a little odd, but I think it's the paper. And then the other side of the TRD, a little hard to see on this side, but yeah, pretty happy with the way that it came out. I do want to rack next, so to be determined on which rack I go with, and also, you know, which rack I go with, and then how soon do I want to do it, just because, as you know, these mods are not always cheap, and racks are pretty expensive. So anyways, if you have recommendations on racks that you recommend, I don't have a sunroof, so that's not an issue with blocking that out. But yeah, if you have any recommendations, throw them down in the comments. Really appreciate it. Again, thanks for watching.